this is Sophie, your French girl from Go Dominican Life. Today we're located in Cabarete, pretty much in the center, walking distance to everything. And this is a complex, then it's almost finished. So if you're looking for a great apartment, a great location, come with me and we're gonna have a tour. Like I mentioned to you, this is in construction, almost finished. You can choose an apartment, depend on the level. There's still some disponibility for you. So if you're looking for something right in town, walking distance to everything, this is a great place, great community. So for more information, price, click the link below, subscribe and share. And I see you soon.